Welcome to the Teacher Gaming Network. We're so happy to have you on board. Using Teacher Gaming Network is an easy 3-step process. The first step in getting started is entering in all your questions.
Each game has a minimum question requirement, so you may want to check how many questions are required for each game. This information can be found on the Create a Game page. For example, Cash Drop requires a minimum of 10 multiple choice questions. To enter in your questions, click on the Add a New Question icon on the left side menu. From this screen, you can determine the type of question you would like to add. There are various question formats, ranging from multiple choice to short answer. Next, simply enter in your question information and select any additional question properties to help organize your questions or to help other educators in your school, district, or the TGN community search for your questions if desired. Once complete, you can click the Save button if you're all done entering in your questions, or the Save and Continue button to enter in additional questions and save your question properties.
Now that we have questions created in our account, we're going to go ahead and set up a sample game.
Click on the Create a New Game icon on the left side menu to set up a new game. You can choose the type of game you'd like to create from this screen. My personal favorite is Case Chase, which is a deal or no deal style game. Please note that free users do have a limited amount of game formats to choose from. After selecting your game style, you can title your game, add a description, as well as any game properties. Once complete, click Next and you'll be taken to your question bank to choose your questions for your game. Check the boxes next to the questions you'd like to use and click Save. You'll receive a confirmation message that your game was created successfully and some options for sharing your game. As you can see, it takes a matter of minutes to create a fun, interactive game.
See how easy that was? The final step, and the most fun step, is sharing the game with your students.
After creating your game, a game link is created that can be shared via email, an LMS, or web page so your students or intended audience can play the game from any internet-connected device. You can retrieve this link at any time by clicking on the My Games icon on the left side menu and then clicking on the link icon next to the game. You can also play this game as a classroom activity or presentation by clicking on the Play icon. Some additional icons that you'll notice on this page is the Edit icon, which allows you to edit your game, as well as the Game Stats icon, which gives you individual and cumulative student game statistics. Please note that our data tracking feature is only available to our Plus users.
If you need any more help getting started or along the way, please visit the Help section in the upper right-hand corner of your account.